Hey yo web traveler! Today we're opening this guy. The storage set is, let's see what do. This NS-11. And not only one box, I thought, what the hell man, I'm gonna open two of them. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so obviously there's gonna be a lot of cut content because I'm gonna get doubles like crazy. But I'm so expecting to get double more hits in one video, which is gonna be not much longer than the usual video. And let me know in the comments at the end of this if you like that or not. Look at how freaking thick and how many they are. God damn, man. And let's get started in Let's get started in here. First pack, we have a lady with a cat. Always good. My wife will be very happy with this card. Okay, we have some elf. Sailor Moon looking hella, checka hella. Okay, I don't care. And we have a first SR, which is it? I don't know. It looked at the first glance blurry, but it is not. It's just like how the style is. It's very hand drawn. Okay, cool. Aqua. I mean, hell yeah. That's a good card to get. I'm gonna like. So if you want to support me, like this video, comment it. Subscribe for more content. Yada yada. You know how it goes. Hey, Albedo, nice. Looking hella fire, girl. Cool. I love that. Okay, I skipped a few. I've seen you, and alright. Oh, Jojo, what the fuck? My cat is meowing. I don't know why. Okay, cool. Lovely, fuck off. Yes, that's nice. I love that. Thank you. I forgot her name. Cosplay is her name. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, don't know why it says cosplay there, but I mean that's what the anime is about, but it doesn't mean the name is cosplay, right? Oh, okay. Interesting angle. Speaking about interesting angle, what is this? You see that? Woo! Okay. I have a feeling they are a little bit blurry, the characters, which is not very good. Got a story. Like, what happened? You were on a high horse for very long and now you isn't. What the fuck? Okay, hand-drawn style again returns. Alright. This one was, I believe, in the NS3 also, NS2, something like that. Hey, our first SSR, and that is a freaking Vocaloid. A pink one. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna sleeve it. I don't know why I sleeved it. I almost never sleeve these cards, but I just felt like it. Interesting design. I was just admiring the design. Hey, we have a VTuber. That looks awesome. I don't know which anime that is, but it looks impressive. Okay. And SR, which is RAM. There's a thing that I see it now, like, whose hand is this? Because with the color palette, if you don't pay attention, it looks like it's her own hand or something, just something there, but her hands are there. Whose hand is this? And what's happening here? I don't know, man. So many questions, no answers. Owl airs, very boring. SR, very boring. I don't know who you are. Oh, damn, nice. Damn nice. Oh, God. Almost all of the cards that I had on the side fell. That's Sword Art Online, but I don't know why she's wearing this suit. We have 02, very cool. Sword Art Online again. I mean, whatever, Gun Art Online, how the fuck do we call it? I don't want to speak about this one, because I don't like it. Sister anime, very cool one to get, I guess. Not suspicious at all that there's a sister anime card. Don't know who that is. Looking very nice, but don't know who that is. Hogokete? Easton. Okay, sure. Hey, we have super secret fuck SSR. Alright, if you hear weird noises at the background, it's my cat playing with his toy. So that you know. He was a good boy for the most part of the recordings, but now it's just about getting the shit done, you know. He's putting his energy into its toys. I don't like this one. I don't know what to say. The shine is beautiful, but I don't like this card. Man, where are the boobas? I need some high booba energy. Come on. This one definitely has booba energy, but it's not enough. This one, as established, also have a very good loot energy, but not booba. I need booba energy. Hey, we have a Vocaloid again. That's cool. Alright. Also no booba, just saying, you know. Don't be mad at me. I'm not the one who made the design. We have an SSR in the back. Alright. Also the shine of this set, particularly like from the R's, it's quite good. It's very visible. It's not often that it happens. We have Genshin Impact. We have some kind of booba energy, but not in my face. I would like... I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. I almost did, but I'm not gonna say that. Alright. Alright. Hey, that's Toradora. Cool. Cute. Nice. Very nice. Don't know who you are. You know what it is? Like sometimes I don't know a character. For example, let's see if I can see the example. So I mean that's not that great. Hey, that's from Slime Anime. Cool. Let's see. All right. Hey, we have another SSR. Sunflowers. Okay. Not a good example. Never mind. Let's see now the pack if I can show you what I wanted to tell you. This turtle is kind of cute. I'm gonna lie. Okay, sure, good enough. Sometimes I don't know the character, but I look at this design and at least how the art, whatever, everything. I look at everything and I think, oh, that's very cool, man. This hair look unique. She's kind of shy and everything closing. Interesting to look at. And then you get like this SR. It's shiny. That's cool, but I don't know the character. She doesn't look special. It's just like a usual normal blonde. And we have here also same story. I don't. And there's not even interesting to look at. So, you know, that's why I don't comment sometimes. That's the slime itself. Cool, lovely, because I don't have enough. All right, hand-drawn style. That's kind of interesting. The art that I don't have, damn, man. That doesn't happen often. This is also a perfect example, and I'm not gonna lie, I have soft spots for twin tails. But the closing looks interesting, so I'm like, oh, that's an interesting character. That's shit. That's interesting sweater, very cool. This one I know, but I don't care. Nice. Finally, first SCR that I kind of do like. You know what? Fuck the sunflower girls. Emos. Let's go. I don't know. Ghosts. I'm out of touch with the youth. What can I say? Death Note. I love this one. I really love this one, but I've already got it from the other box, so there's not very much reaction out of me right now. Also, all of the R's I have seen Pokemon. That's cool. And we have a small little baby, which I don't want to see. I've already seen it. And we have an SSR. There's a chance to get SAR card. It's not guaranteed, but I have 2 boxes. So if I don't get it out of at least one of them, it would be disaster. Talking about high booba energy, it finally came. And so did I. Look at that. Thank you, God Story. You fulfilled my wish. Out about a Fate character. That would be great. I think we are almost at the end of the first box in terms of packs. And alright. A lot of doubles with R. I don't remember this one. That's kind of cool. And we have... Oh, fuck. Penty. I forgot how the show goes. The name of the show. But that's a cool card. A very interesting design. And I often say that. And it could mean a million things. To make it more specific, by this one I mean that it doesn't look like the rest does. If you take this for example, all the girls look like they're just anime girls, and this is like more cartoonish style from the character that we all know, or at least most of us do know this character. SSR, let's go, cool. So far not even a single SSR double, which is kind of surprising. But we will see if that luck continues, because I don't think it will. Alright, that's me looking at boobas. Alright, what do we have here? Big booba energy, fuck yeah! Cool character to get. Her design is, horny, and I love that. Fuck it, I'm gonna sleep this one also. Again, no reason, I almost never do that, but we started doing this. Oh, that's empty. We started doing this at this video, so I'm gonna continue to do this. I think I can skip R's for the most part. And it's such a freaking shame that CR in this set is freaking lovely. If I would have known that, I would not buy this set twice. I would buy another set twice, because it's fucking, I don't have, I'm at the point in my life to actually watch it so that I can enjoy all the freaking million cards that I got from God the Story from Love Leaf. Also, I know it's Love Life, but fuck that. But at the same time, I'm like, fuck this shit. I don't want to watch it, so why should I? And that's kind of cool card. I explained it very well, I think. I think you understand what I mean. My explanation, hey, Dragon Maid, there you go. My explanation was very shit, but I think you understand what I mean. It's just like non-stopping battle if I should watch it or should hate it. Because if I watch and I enjoy it, I can't hate it anymore. And that sucks. I mean, those 5 R's in one pack is kind of neat. It's kind of neat, not gonna lie. I just have a lot of them, so it's not like special anymore. But this is, because that's an SSR. I'm just throwing in there. I don't have enough room to display all of them. And I couldn't be bothered to, you know, make a choice to display some and display others. Hey, first SR double. Not bad. So the first box didn't give us the rarity higher than SSR. Hey, we have a new one. That's nice. Violet Evergarden. Hey, we have even 2 of them here. Cool. Sunflowers again. Probably the same animal. Don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments if you know. Hey, Big Booba Energy. That's something else. I love it. Thank you. Okay, okay. The fuck is happening? First I looked at the knees, so it's just, you know, just in your face. Then I saw the lines and I thought, hey, there's hand drawn, cool. And then I saw this and I thought, like, the fuck is she doing? And then I saw that it's coming from her mouth. I don't know if I should be aroused right now or grossed out. I'm not sure. Tell me about what you are, because I still don't know. It's like it's both is happening at the same moment in me. All right. Hey, another CR. That's cool. That's cool. We have an... Oh, damn, son. Look at this. Edge Runners. I don't know why I died almost when I said it, but man, I very love that anime. I find it very interesting world, cyberpunk, and very sexy design of the characters. Goddamn, man. So it's very nice to see God the Story doing Edge Runners. Awesome. Also very love this golden outline of those 2. Oh man, this is the first card that I actually want to sleep, like no cap. Oh, what the hell, man? Look at that. It looks hella sexy. Nothing here, nope. I love that. I'm a simple man, what can I say? That's just how my brain works. Hey, I believe that's Genshin. Probably. Looks cool. Nice card. Hey, that's first SSR double. Which is, you know, it is what it is. In terms of doubles, I don't mind SR. Because I got 2 boxes, right? SSR is a little bit painful because there are like enough SSRs in the set to not get doubles, but it's bound to happen anyway, so I don't mind it that much if there's not that many. And at this point, it's the first one, and I don't even think I got SCR doubles yet. Okay, the second one, cool. I shouldn't talk shit. What do we have here? Okay, well, it's not a SR, but it is a double. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not destroyed yet, but I'm low on energy, as you can see. Oh yeah? Okay, Aqua. Hi. Yeah, that's too bad. That's too bad. I'm gonna probably do like in thumbnail and name like double the fun, 2 boxes. And then you come to this video and just like me silently opening everything. Ah, got discarding in. I think the situation depends on what the fuck is coming out of her mouth. Because it's my jizz, then you know. Yes! Alright. That's cool. That's Gucci. Look at that. Finally. At the end of this freaking video, and I have 4 packs left to go. Huh. Okay. Also double. Man, what the fuck? There's so much SSR and I got so much doubles. That's bullshit. How many SSR are there? Like 18. And I got only probably 10 of them at best shot. Like, which are not doubles. This is the last pack, by the way, so we are gonna open it normally. We have my buddy Senpai. We have this chick, which I don't know who you are. Also, same story. Oh man, please. And okay, thank you for watching this chaos. Let me know in the comments what you think about opening the boxes. And I'll see you in another one, Well Travelers.